Trader Zellman here at Trading Teacher. It's July 22nd, 2018, and I promised I would provide an update on BIOAQ. I'm a little late, but please, my apologies. It's Sunday. Tomorrow's Monday, and tomorrow's a trading day. So anyway, BIOAQ looks great. If you've seen what it did yesterday, well, for the last, 2 days, I believe, based on the news, and then that. If you watch my Twitter post, if you are a follower of mine, and if you review my Twitter post, you'll notice that when we got to these levels, well, prior to my last video, I said, hey, this could look like a resistance over here. It could trail up to here. It did. This is resistance. We saw a nice battle here going on for practically 2 days. However, when it got up to around 6.5, I posted something on Twitter, and it was something like this. Ready, set, boom. Shot up to 0.078. It's back above the trend line, broke through resistance. Looks great. I cannot say this. I can't repeat myself how great this looks. Next resistance level we have to look out for is this guy right here. Just bear with me. Let me try to draw a line for you guys. Where are you? Oh, there you go. So this would be resistance right here, moving forward about 9 cents. However, if 9 cents does do well and we break through 9 cents, the next resistance level, oh, excuse me, that's a little too high. The next resistance level will be right here at roughly 15 cents. Then we'll have something, a resistance not too far away around here. Next resistance level will be here. Then finally here. That's too far out, but you never know what could happen. So I'm just giving you a bunch of resistance levels to look forward to and we'll keep your eye on. Right now we want to see it break through 9 cents, which is the next resistance level. And if it does that, we can see something near 15 cents in the near future. Once again, my name is Zellman. You can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher, or you can take an upcoming course. Next upcoming course will be September of 2018. My apologies as my phone went off. You can go to our website. It's www.tradingteacher.com. Take care.